Let me show you how to check your washing machine drain pump. If your washing machine is not draining out water, let me show you how to check if the issue is actually the drain pump itself. And for us to be able to check this, we need what we call multimeter. Multimeter that we are going to use to check the pump. And then here I have with me a drain pump from LG washing machine. This is rated 120 volts. So we need 120 volts to run this pump. In my location, I have 480, I have 220, I have 110, I have 12 volts. So this water pump needs 220 volts to run it, but we are not going to use light to test it. We are going to test it with multimeter. We are going to test resistance and also check the pump impeller if it is rolling freely or it has resistance. So for us to do that, that's what we always call safety first. And of course, I don't play with my hand gloves because I need to keep this palm fresh for my wife for the other room. So I have my multimeter. I have a clamp meter also, but what I'm going to use to check this is I will use this multimeter to check that. Then I need set of screwdriver. What I need in this set of screwdriver is just star head, because after checking for the resistance, I will need to separate the pump housing or the impeller housing from the motor so that we can check the impeller. So this side that is always connected to your washing machine drum, and this is your discharge to wherever you are discharging the water to. So first of all, what we are going to do here, we will turn on our multimeter and take it to ohm resistor. I want to believe we all know the symbol for ohms. So right now, this multimeter is at ohms resistance. So if I check the pump for resistance and this remain like this, means that the washing machine drain pump is defective, it's open. So this particular washing machine, if I check it, we should be able to have a resistance of between 12 and 20 ohm resistance. So if you have that, that means that the coil on this washing machine drain pump is still in good condition. I will need to position this multimeter in where you'll be able to see my videos for us to be on the same page. Only something to wait. Yes, I want to believe you can see my multimeter. So this is the pump itself. So we are going to test it through the block, through this block. This way to be connected to. So I've already turned on my multimeter and right now is at home resistance. So what we are going to do is that we are going to insert this probe into the blockings. Just the way I'm going to do that. Oh, need to be sure that you can see my, yes. So put this here. So what we are having there is 13.8. This means that the coil on this washing machine drain pump is okay. For us to be very sure that this washing machine has no issues, the electronic side or the electrical side have passed the test. So let's open up and check the impeller. If the impeller is moving freely, if the impeller is moving freely continuously, mean that the impeller is bad. So or the pump also is bad. So I'm going to open it up for us to check. And for me to do that, I said it before, I need to protect my hands because my wife needs these hands. So I need to protect it for her. That's funny, right? That's just on the lighter note. So please, if you find this video informative or useful, kindly share it to benefit others, to benefit all the technicians out there, to benefit the laundry guys out there. At least you'll be able to know the basic things about the machinery that you are using to do your laundry. You should be able to know how to unblock your drain if it, drain pump if it is having issues not draining water, and that should let you know that the drain pump might have been restricted. And what good about this modern washing machine is that they have a display board that is going to show you the error code. Number one is for you to understand the error code, and number two is for you to be able to know what that error code represents. If you don't know that, you'll not be able to know how to troubleshoot and probably solve the issues. But I think as a person that will handling machineries or is into laundry services should be able to know some basic things about this or our washing machine. Like this one, as I said before, this is a drain washing machine drain pump. So we have checked for the resistance and it's passed the test. So I want to open it up for us to check the impeller. So I'm going to pull that out. You can see the impeller casing. The pump is safe. So, and this is what we call the impeller. If I rotate this impeller and you rotate continuously without taking any attention, it means that there is issue. We need to replace this washing machine drain pump. So let's do that experiment and see. Watch me. Let me use screwdriver so that you can see. Very strong. So this entails all that the washing machine is still good. If it actually if it was moving freely, that would have let us know that the drain pump, the impeller is bad. So this washing machine drain pump is still in good condition. Yes, so let's couple it back. That's just the basic way for you to check your washing machine drain pump. So if you want to do that, you need a multimeter just as I show us in the video. So for this particular one, the drain pump is still in good condition. So I'm going to couple it back and keep it as spare. And you see my tools. I have a very sophisticated tools. So that's just the basic way on how to check if your washing machine drain pump is still in good working condition. So thank you for watching. Also, thank you for sharing it in advance. Thank you for commenting in advance. Thank you also for sharing any concern that concern your washing machine. We are always here to give you solution, both physically, digitally, and remotely. So stay tuned to this page. I'm going to be bringing a lot to your way. Thank you and see you some other time. Bye bye.